Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings and product reviews. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and different types of beauty and lifestyle products, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Guys, I know it's been a little while since I've filmed. I apologize. I've just had life going on and some things that I needed to deal with, and we're back. So I do have quite a few boxes here, so look out for quite a few videos coming. I hope you're ready. But this video I am so excited to do. I've had this item here for a while and just, like I said, not feeling good, and then just other things I had was dealing with. But I am very excited to show you guys. Thrift-A-Bag is back. So the subscription is still no longer an option. However, you can go to eBay, where the owner of Thrift-A-Bag has an eBay store, and she sells her bags there now. So one thing that I think is fantastic about this is it's not a mystery. You're going to know exactly what you're getting. So you can see she just sent this. This actually is a used bag, but you can't tell. There's no markings or anything. So it is still all impeccable. This has the strap if you would like to make it like a crossbody bag. There's actually still tissue paper in here, and it's the Michael Kors tissue paper. There are some pockets in here as well, along with a zipper there, and then pockets on that side, and then it does have the magnetic closure with two zippers here as well. So there's lots of pockets and places you can put things in this purse. I think this purse is beautiful. I love it. I love Michael Kors. I have a more brown. I like how this kind of has the taupe, like a taupe gray. I don't know, but it's beautiful. As with any of the bags from Thrift-A-Bag. So I have a link. She was so kind to give me a link that I'll put down below. If you use that link, you are going to save 10% off your purchase, as long as it's $5 or more. And I think that's a great deal because, like I said, it's still going to be the quality and the standard you're used to with her products, her bags that she finds and sells and all of that. Nothing has ever been less than excellent. I mean, definitely, in my opinion, 5 stars all the way on every bag I've ever received from her. And I've received from like totes, wallets, clutches, crossbodies, actual handbags, all kinds of different bags, and they have all, like I said, been immaculate. So I'm so glad that she wanted to do this and sent me this bag to show you guys. Again, you can see that even though this is a used bag, it is still impeccable. She finds the most beautiful bags and has them cleaned and everything, and they look brand new. So, yeah. You can still get Thrift-A-Bag, but you get to choose. So instead of, like I said, it being a surprise every month, you get to choose which purse you may like, which bag, any style. She's got quite a few. So holidays are coming up. It's a great way to give a beautiful, beautiful bag to someone who loves Michael Kors, or she has, Coach bags, and she has Vera Bradley and Kate Spade. She's got quite a few, brand name bags. Now, one thing, she doesn't have, Louis Vuitton or anything like that, but she does have brand name. So I definitely recommend go over, check it out. Like I said, the link down below will save you 10% off your purchase. And welcome back, Thrift-A-Bag. She never went anywhere, but the subscription, like I said, is no longer available. But this option, for those of you that have been asking, I wanted to let you know. I talked with her and she sent this so we could show you guys that you can still get her bags, her wonderful bags at great prices, and you get to pick the bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much to my channel members. Your support means so very, very much to me. I do have a giveaway coming up for you guys. It is going to be Tarte products. So that's just my way of saying thank you to my channel members for your continued support. And I appreciate everyone's support. Just being here and watching is amazing. I appreciate that more than you know. There will be a link down below for channel memberships if you are interested in learning more about it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm so excited about this new beautiful, beautiful bag. So again, thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.